is new generation for the iPhone screen protector. This is the magic protector. This magic protector can changeable, can be usable, can washable. Amazing. Just guarantee you're protected on the dry position and put it on your iPhone. Pull the air out. That's all. It's fixed already. You can choose more color for your style. We'll create more color for you. The operation is same as normal. More protection we will create for you. This is magic protector. This is a new generation for the iPhone screen protector. You can keep it, change it, anytime, anywhere by yourself. Just few seconds. Amazing. You can do it.